If you are planning to prepare for August 2023 FRM Level 1 exam, and this video is for you. Hello friends, thank you very much for joining in. This is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become better versions of themselves. And I also help students preparing for CFA and FRM exam to do better and clear the exam as soon as possible. Now, if you're planning to go for the August exam and you want to start your preparation early, what simply you can do is you can start in the month of January, okay, and target of completing your entire curriculum by say June mid or maximum June end. Okay, that should be your hard line. You should not go above higher than the June end deadline. Now, how do you prepare? Okay, one of the easiest way to do is split each month around 10 chapters. So January 10, February 10, March 10, April 10, May 10, and the last chapter, last 1 month around 12. You can increase it slightly also. So, if for example you started out with say around 7 to 8 chapters in the first month, then gradually to 10, then 12 chapter in the next month, then 14 chapter in the next month. That way, so you can also go and gradually improve that part. The core part that you have to understand is that don't be in a hurry when you're starting in the month of January. Okay, this will have very bad impact on your preparation because the moment you start covering content fast, you get confidence and you get engaged in other uh, office related commitment, other life related commitments, and you tend to take breaks, and because of which you're not able to appear for the exam properly. So maintain the consistency. The easiest way would be keep bifurcating 10, 10, 10 chapters for each month till your June mid or June end. Complete all of these 60, 62 chapters with solving of the content. July is for revision, mock papers, a sectional test, do the entire revision, and then go for the August exam. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends who are preparing for the August exam for FRM level 1.